You're looking at our long-tail keyword brainstorm tool that will take a topic or a keyword you're targeting and find 30 other long-tail keyword opportunities that you can then go manually verify in your SEO tools to see what you should be targeting and flesh out your content calendar. So if we were to just take a general topic like content marketing, and we will take email address, and in a few seconds, we're going to have 30 long-tail keywords that are generated for us. These are ideas that we can go manually verify with our SEO tool. And we can start checking these for opportunities. At any point, we can just run it again, and then we can get 30 more opportunities right away. This is really helpful for filling out content calendars, especially if you've been upping the cadence, you're not sure what to target. Long-tail keywords, often though they bring lower volume, have higher intent folks coming. So they can be a great way for you to get more organic traffic, but then also more qualified visitors that are related to the topics you're already covering. So this is, again, a great long-tail keyword brainstorm buddy that you can use to flesh out your content calendar and pick up the cadence of your content strategy.